Richard Ebright was a curious child. From a young age, he was fascinated by the natural world. He collected butterflies and studied them intently. Ebright's world was full of wonder, and he wanted to understand everything around him. Ebright's mother nurtured his curiosity. She took him on trips to explore nature and bought him books about science and nature. These experiences fueled his desire to learn. He spent countless hours observing and collecting butterflies. Ebright's room was like a miniature museum. He had a vast collection of butterflies, each specimen carefully labeled and stored. This collection was more than just a hobby for Ebright. It was the foundation of his scientific journey. His passion for butterflies would lead him to make groundbreaking discoveries. Ebright's journey shows us that great things can come from simple beginnings. The book, The Travels of Monarch X, ignited Ebright's scientific journey. This book sparked a lifelong fascination with butterflies and opened his eyes to the world of scientific inquiry. The book described the migration of monarch butterflies, and Ebright was captivated by the idea of tracking these insects. He wanted to understand their incredible journey, and this sparked his first major scientific project. Ebright started raising monarch butterflies in his basement. He tagged them with tiny stickers and then released them, hoping to track their migration. Although none of his tagged butterflies were recovered, this project laid the foundation for his future scientific endeavors. Ebright's early experiments demonstrated his scientific approach. He was developing a systematic way of thinking, which would serve him well throughout his career. He wasn't just observing nature anymore, he was actively investigating it. Ebright continued to excel in science fairs throughout his school years. He wasn't afraid to tackle complex questions, and this led him to some impressive early breakthroughs. One of his most notable projects involved researching a viral disease that affects caterpillars. Ebright's research on this disease provided valuable insights into insect biology. He identified a new way to study how viruses impact insect populations. Another significant discovery involved viceroy butterflies. Ebright challenged the accepted theory of mimicry in these butterflies. He proved that viceroy butterflies weren't mimicking monarchs for protection. Instead, they had evolved a mutually beneficial relationship. This discovery changed the scientific understanding of butterfly behavior. These early successes fueled Ebright's passion for research. He was making real contributions to science, and his work was already gaining recognition in the scientific community. Ebright's scientific journey reached new heights during his high school years. He was no ordinary student. He was tackling scientific mysteries with the enthusiasm of a seasoned researcher. One of his most significant achievements was the discovery of an unknown insect hormone. This hormone played a crucial role in metamorphosis. Ebright's research provided critical insights into insect development. He also developed a new theory about the structure of DNA. Ebright proposed that a specific DNA sequence acted as a blueprint, guiding the development of cells into specific tissues and organs. His theory revolutionized the understanding of how genes function. These groundbreaking discoveries cemented Ebright's place as a rising star in the scientific community. He wasn't just making discoveries, he was changing the way we understand life itself. Ebright's story is an inspiration to aspiring scientists everywhere. He proved that with passion, dedication, and a curious mind, anyone can make a difference in the world of science.